Moringa, a simple green leaf that many people call the miracle tea. But why does this plant hold so much power? Today, I want to take on a gentle, engaging journey through the benefits of Moringa and show you how it can easily add into your daily life. Hello and welcome to my channel. For many generations, Moringa has been used as medicine, as food, and as a source of strength. It grows in Africa and Asia, but its benefits have spread all over the world. And today, even modern science agrees. Moringa is one of the most nutrient-dense plants you can ever consume. The plant is loaded with vitamins A, B, and C. It carries calcium, iron, potassium, magnesium, and even all the essential amino acids your body needs every day. Just a bit of Moringa can help fill nutritional gaps, especially if you experience low appetite, fatigue, or if you feel run down. It gives your body raw nutrients in the most natural way. One of the biggest gifts of Moringa offers is a strong immune boost. With its antioxidants and vitamin C, it helps your body fight infections, recover faster, and stay resilient in times of stress and low immunity. Many people who take Moringa daily often notice that they fall sick less and bounce back more quickly when they do. Another beautiful benefit is its natural anti-inflammatory power. If you struggle with stomach discomfort, ulcers, bloating, heartburn, or even joint pain, Moringa can help calm the inflammation inside your body. It gently soothes the stomach lining, reduces acidity, and supports healthy digestion. For people with ulcers or sensitive digestion, Moringa can be comforting, healing when used the right way. Moringa is also rich in antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogen acid, powerful compounds that help your cells stay healthy, youthful, and protected from damage. Antioxidants slow aging, improve skin clarity, and support brain health, and help your heart to function at its best. If you struggle with cravings and fluctuating energy, you'll be glad to know that Moringa can help stabilize blood sugar levels. It helps your body stay balanced, giving you steady energy without the highs and lows, unlike caffeine, which can make you feel anxious. Moringa gives you a clean, natural boost that lasts throughout the day. For breastfeeding mothers, Moringa is helpful. Many women use it to increase milk production while nourishing their own bodies. It provides minerals, vitamins, and protein for both mother and the baby. Now, let's talk about how to consume Moringa safely, because even though it is powerful, you need it in small amounts to get its benefits. If you have access to fresh Moringa leaves, you're lucky. They are gentle and you can just add them to soups, stews, steam them like spinach, blend into smoothies, or mix them in an omelette. Fresh leaves have a mild taste and are perfect for everyday cooking. Moringa leaf powder is the most common and convenient form because it's easy to use and lasts for a long time. But remember, it is concentrated, so start small. Begin with half a teaspoon a day. Let your body adjust and then slowly increase to 1 teaspoon. If you feel good, you can eventually go to 1 tablespoon a day. You can mix the powder into smoothies, warm water, juice, porridge, yogurt, or soups. Just avoid very hot liquids because extremely high heat can destroy some of the nutrients. Another gentle way to consume moringa is through tea. To make it, simply use a teaspoon of the powder and a handful of leaves. Add them to boiling water or hot water. Let it sit for a few minutes. Add honey for sweetness. This soothing drink is good for people with ulcers and sensitive digestion. If you don't like the taste of moringa, you can take it as a capsule. Just follow instructions on the bottle or the packaging, and remember, slow and steady is key. There are also moringa seeds, which are much stronger and work like a detox. Just one seed can have powerful cleansing effects. Because of that, seeds should only be used if you really understand how they work. For everyday use, the leaves or powder are safer and gentler. The best time to take moringa is in the morning when your body needs energy and nourishment. You can also take it before lunch to help control cravings and support digestion. If you're sensitive to herbs, avoid taking large amounts late at night because moringa can make you feel awake and energized. While moringa is natural, it is still potent. So, take caution if you're pregnant, on blood pressure medication, on diabetes medication, or if you have kidney issues. Your body will always tell you what it feels right or what feels wrong. So, go gentle and listen closely. Moringa is more than just a supplement. It's a daily act of self-care. A way to feed your body the nutrients it deserves. It supports your immunity, improves your digestion, balances your blood sugar, nourishes your cells, and fills your body with gentle, steady energy. So, start small, be consistent, and let this powerful plant become part of your journey toward better health. Moringa may be simple, but its benefits are truly extraordinary. And when you welcome it into your life, you welcome nourishment, healing, and strength, one day at a time. Thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the video.